ya Misiri
makĩgĩra kĩ andũ a Misiri moka makombora ndereba mathia makendagĩria andũ tũindo ma estate-inĩ.
I think I have nijamanĩtie nao
na they have convincing power me mathufuria marĩa metagwo non-stick me tũndũ we ũngĩgũrania. Yes,
I have met them.
Yes, and you see they actually give you a very lucrative deal on hire purchase.
Yeah.
Yes. Makura, you can take the sufuria, very good sufuria non-stick. They pay 3 months. Yes, and they don't have trust issues. So kwira uma ashuwe nduguthama na mana tunyo nejo andu mana matunya na matunya in the pretext ona tia guku. They also sell very good carpet.
Megeka.
Yes. Kwaja moro yini ta watheri mendagia ki
carpets
acio na shumare wiho mukunjuragira megeka ni mukunjuragira
megeka yagirite
kwira ruta iratu ranga. And you know, no one buys a carpet alone. You have to have an opinion leader and a neutral
person. They fatara election observer.
Mododia kagora carpet here is a very decisive person.
In a very decisive.
Yes. No, there are people who are very decisive, but there are few. I argue on you can tell.
Ena kamiti
aida mathi kura carpet kana a big electronic ta fridge nienda an opinion tondu muga mundu enyoike na bia ni atururaga ana bia guthitwo naki hato uthia hau kaigwa ndumurania Chantel no na kala gani poa. Mimi napenda hii zebra. Agacia zebra ni ciathirie fashion.
They are not as fashionable. He hindi irari fashion.
Ero carpet rwa zebra rwendio muno. Rugithia fashion tondu wathia kundu karukora.
Moni utura kauga okay nyamu yo ni yaingihia mahwa
ni too complicated. And then no mwako heo you know some observations. Hiyo kimwagilia tu chai. I know me a carpet in Hawaii or when you buy a carpet, you now you know for momentarily ni mwaba ko mokia ite. Yes. Mokia go that
captain.
Yes. And you know when you have a carpet, it also elevates your status. So mundu ni ira rutake.
Iratu.
Yes.
Carpet idira na iratu
ona yua ogete ka delegation ka ruongo ri yua me ya huja kwena mugeka ruta iratu
ndo iratu cia ndi makari tuhirwo
wena mugeka ya ona ni matu sturu tu
ikareja
arume matiendete kuruta iratu kwanja cia ndigi kwanja ona no there is an age you get ndungiruta kiratu rungi
nginya be ikarege.
And some of us are there already. What have they can stay at? Okay, Peter Mkumbwa.
Nekirato kiarori arohora.
So a carpet will give you, a carpet is a revered thing. And nikiwa auge toke do to red carpet reception. Nikiwa natogoria came of Rimoka. The carpet is a sign of opulence. Yes. And panache and finesse. Yes. Uko te kono kwena mweka na wewe ko ule. Ni weiguaga yes. This place is royal.
You feel good.
Yes. And ne hubera afro especially here no wako brado chuza afuro nere
wakora
yes do kere carpets and call rugs. Yes ilashita go rugs Chinese rug kegoro
kabatire raithi
rugs yumagarere. There are some few people who can afford the ones that are called Persian rugs. Persian ni de muno andu aria mekiraga nyumba ciao passion no yo ndiko carpet ya kuhumbira floor is just you know an interior design kanini kaigero metha ni rago na warago una kombe kingi waigua no carpet nacio ni resistance oria honu irio no gwethangi urake
utangiraga kindu
yes na ndo ya passion rugs of course they have the way they clean them tondu kwi cleaning ya carpet ya brot yes it can be a nightmare aikondo gutwarira service providers aria mahura ke
mahura carpet
tondu muthenya wa kuhura mugeka ni wa kuhura ke
mugeka
ni wangu muthenya wangu ni wake
wangu ni wangu
na nduhura carpet muno we nyoika especially koro we ihuririe ya wall to wall yes ayua sasa mso we oba wiki geturenge sasa mso
Poa.
You come over to my place weekend. Okay, this is a bash. Kumbe wetu mugarureka.
Uroka azari bara utakumenya.
Yes.
You see for one, kwamba kwarura mugeka nyumba.
Yes.
Ni urabatara mundu umwe wa kwamba kuoya giti.
No ngi wa kuruta ki.
Ungiagucie carpet.
Tondu ndungiranga carpet na ni roya giti.
You cannot. Nira matara umwe uyu ngiagucie.
Yes. Na mani ici ci macaria-inĩ rĩ nĩ ituĩkaga kũhũthĩka residence mwena ũrĩkũ
mwena wa carpet.
Sasa Brayo aki nimekumiss Brayo. She come over to my place on Sunday. Asiendi church leo, kuna ile inaitwa kanisa mashinani. Watu wanaenda kwa mahauza watu, so leo tuko church. Epitia aki Brayo yuka hau with his ego and testosterone. Yes. Aka hayo esa by the way ikapetiko na vumbi inanipea allergy.
Nasikia tu vumbi.
Sikia tu vumbi. Ishu najisikia hiyo isha kutoka nibae. I don't know kama unaweza liftia chetu ito hapa nje. Na leo kwa uraka hapa tini ufatara a beautiful volume of
water.
Yes.
Nyamuyo niri yaga mai.
And it's so. Brayo re. Akana yoki haso ke yaki umu. And you know when you wash a carpet, especially oko ikara kuba third floor, you inconvenience practically everyone. So the one, do ke meiga farada-inĩ yaku. Umeiga ha landing-inĩ yake. Ya stairs.
Au no wengiiganira. No mitamburukie. Tondu we batara iru mitamburukie othe. Nigetha uhote kumithambia.
Ni utinda hau wira wa sasa mama Karanja. Pita tu. Mama Michelle. Ni sawa. Tutapanguza hapo kwako.
Yawe rere ya mai.
Brayo athongithirie kihato. Carpet guthambia is an whole day's affair.
Umenye na buroti mwi itari so much space.
Yes.
Either tware kuria the ground floor.
Kana mambate rooftop okone mumiri.
Agone kuri rooftop.
Yes.
Pada juu.
Yes. No, utaimithia muthenya uria andu aingi matarahura ki?
Matarahura nguo.
Yes. Tondu carpet ni ondia nika o micuri-ini anika o ki?
Giriro-ini.
Yes. Brayo ndirakwira ni athindikaga kihato. Hapa ni kai mesini. Yo ngara.
Giro kihato na kaburaci karia kanini ka guoko. Karia ga gukuha iratu.
Na gakinya handu gathiriba ugakurutithia ciara. Na nĩ carpet no mwaka umerutie kona. Uthiĩte. Yo kama yani mnanga makapeti zingine bright. Mwezi nunua tu carpet ya brown.
Akwira jina dagi huthira brown na kia huthira brown.
Hizo ni za watu wa Moshadha. Na no carpet on average, even a small carpet. Okiuga riu ukamianike ri, at least niko nyuite mai mitugieno
ina kwambata ona kiatika akirakaragio ni inyui.
Agora bora mnatumia maji hivyo.
Wani ni carpet tunavua.
Unajua baba wa Idila analetanga shida sana hii maji mbili bila na luka juu. Kwani unabuaga carpet kila siku? Na kila siku ukiana ikuja huku lazima mbue carpet. Wanataka kaji ya kuona okay.
Ogo ginyado ni mamenjete.
It's a trend. Wazo kaigwa riu mukihito ndaki na masculinity ya Mũndũrũme. Akilonzo, wacha kelele, wacha nikupe usaidie Brayo kuianika. Todo kumianika. It's like it's a forklift affair.
Gwe dito.
Na muthi mwaneke. Ewa haruruke gwethe ninge mucokia square one. Sasa hizi ni gani?
Negwira kindu kia mundu thi na cokia murume.
No kiora carpet no mogokoro wi mugi wa njata. Urore itu.
Tari go matuko ma kwena riwa ri. Very good time ya guthambia carpet.
Very conducive. Yes. So hey ndio ngihura. Bura nayo yake atia?
Irourĩrwo nja.
Yes. Neko mukanga.
Ndigo ikaranga nja.
Yes. Brayo acoke ahurithio carpet imera igiri. Acoke ahoranio. Amena carpet. Mugeka.
Ikobida hota 7.
Ona amani atindikite kiato kamenya. Ari mira keiko.
Na kugura carpet. Okay, teo.
Okay, teo. Hata kuosha carpet na loves na kujia na wear.
Useless.
What does she say?